Hi, welcome to this video where I will show you how to install templates on Shopify. So let's get started. So after signing into your Shopify store, go to your Shopify admin page, and then from the left menu bar, click on the online store button, and now click on the themes button. And on the theme, on your selected theme, go to click on the customize button. After that, the theme editor will open, and now you can go to the contact page, and now click on the drop down from above. After that, click on the create template button, and now a dialog box will appear. Here you have to put your template name and what it will be based on. So click on the create template button. After that, it will be created, and now you have to click on the save button. After saving it, go to the online store button, and now click on the pages option. And now it will show 4 pages like here. So click on the shipping page, so the page will appear like this. And from the options, from the drop down, click on the default page button, default page option. So that's all for this video. That's how you can install templates on Shopify. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel, and thank you for watching.